What is going on, my future meta millionaires? It is your boy Terry Stonkers, and welcome to my channel, baby, by the dip. All right, guys, in today's video, I got to give you a little update on everything going on here. A lot of stuff going on social media about MMAT. MMTLP is the big update. We got a lot of stuff to talk about Fidelity today, and I want you guys to comment down below. Are you having problems buying MMTLP? I'm going to share some stuff that I was informed of today by different investors, and we're going to go over that about Fidelity. So hope you're all ready for today's video. If you are, smash thumbs up, leave a comment down below because it helps out that algorithm. So here is a post from Todd saying that MMTLP is now close only at Fidelity. Even over the phone, I was just told, and he tagged me and Roller Pigeons. And I also had a person in my Patreon group comment to me in the private message saying he just got off the phone of Fidelity, and it says, unfortunately, I can't even purchase through Fidelity phone support. The agent told me the security isn't purchasable because it hasn't shared their financials and now has purchase restriction placed on it, MMTLP that is. And you can see down here, this person commented and said, I was told it had a high risk. Really? All investments are considered risk or high risk. As I stated before, this was not only not to be traded, someone did some digging and figured out it was set up illegally. So this person here said, happened to me today as well. So I asked to speak with the manager, which turned into them reviewing the situation. And again, them come back and said they would do it this time. Took 1 hour. So here you can see, man, different people were, now I didn't get the call today. We were really busy at work and just didn't have the time. I wanted to buy some shares, but it looks like I wouldn't have had time anyway because I don't have an hour. I only get a half-hour break. So people here posting that Fidelity's is only, they basically took away the buy button and they're basically letting you have the sell button. So if you want to sell it, you can sell it. Kind of like what they did with GME, AMC, remove the buy button, but you can sell your security. So isn't that funny though, guys? If it's such a high risk, why are you just allowed to sell it but not buy it? So find out ironic enough, don't faze me anyway. So this is where I want you to leave a comment down below. Is your brokerage still, as of today, letting you buy? I know TD, Ameritrade, Charles Schwab, and things like that. So yeah, leave a comment down below if you're having no problem buying at all. Now we're over here, Mr. John Berta, again, of a post out here today. He is dropping the goods these last couple of days, so thank you, John, again. He says, short consortium will likely try to point the ORO as being not technically sound or too expensive even at today's prices. I will put up our technical team and our new management team against any BS they throw at us. They won't want to debate us, just throw more BS at you. So that right there, man, is just another bullish post, in my opinion, talking about the management team, I believe, going to be at NextBridge to take over, MMTLP, the new torch, things like that. So what I want to do as well, and what I think John's referring to here is Uncle Smokey here has a post, and it's about this gentleman here. He has this post. Here's a perfect example of your short and distort. Here's someone with a new account bashing the former CEO of Torch, John Berta, dredging up past accusations to help their cause. Hedgy scare-tastic won't work on us. Ignore the FUD. And this person here. So watch out for this person here spreading the FUD on Twitter. John Cantonese, talking about all this BS here on John Berta. And here you can see this is a brand new account. This John Cantonese 2 on Twitter. And he was following me, this brand new account that's only been out for a few months, doing all this post here that we're not going to get into because it's just a lot of FUD. And, you know, what do we do here with FUD on the channel, guys? I'm going to show you what we do on FUD here with the channel. And if you go to my tweets, I'm going to show you what we do with FUD. Right here it is. This is how I handle FUD. This person never even said anything bad about me, but I saw that this person was in there spreading FUD about John Berta, and we're not about to have that. So I just went in and blocked this person right away. I saw this person had like 2 followers, and they were following like 30 some people. And it's funny that they were following all the people that cover metamaterials and the MMTLP. So I just went ahead and blocked this individual right away because I don't want this stuff showing up in my newsfeed. So that's what I do. I block out the FUD. If you're out there posting FUD, about, MMTLP and the special dividend, more than likely you're going to be blocked. I have a nice block list on my Twitter. I'm not going to lie. Straight up, if you're out there spreading FUD, you get the block. I wanted to update you here on MMTLP today. We were down to 85.90 cents yesterday at one point. It did come back up. And you can see today it's back over 6.8%. So, and here's something I want to point out that's very interesting. The volume. Now, you can see our average volume is 656,000. But today we traded 364,000 shares. Now, that's ironic because Fidelity took away the buy button. And that person that did buy today had to wait an hour. Who has an hour to wait? It's kind of funny that with one big brokerage like Fidelity taking away the buy button, that it was still having that much buying pressure from probably the other brokerages. My video I did yesterday right here, guys, you can see the big update from John Berta video. I got the post where I was talking about MMTLP from yesterday. And the average volume according to yesterday was 640,000. But look at how much volume was traded on that negative 7% day. 1.34 million shares were traded yesterday. Now, my opinion is I think they flooded shares onto the market knowing that they were going to remove the buy button from Fidelity. Now, I don't know, like Fidelity is one of those most iconic, trusted brokerages out there. I don't personally believe that it's Fidelity themselves making the decision. I believe it's probably the people offering the shares maybe doing something behind this. I'm sure they are, because it's just crazy. Fidelity don't remove the buy button. They just don't do that. So there has to be more of a reason, of why the buy button's being removed. So we'll have to see why that is. GME and AMC did, but I don't believe Fidelity ever removed the buy button for them. So let's go now take a look at metamaterials, and we're down on volume today, but the stock stayed pretty much even for the most part, 142 at the end. It did go down 0.7%, so we're going to call that a win in this market. Average volume 5.6 million. We traded 2.6 million. Let's go take a look at the Fintel. And one thing I want to point out here is the days to cover. It's saying here that if the shorts try to cover the shorted shares of this, it's going to take them 13.54 days. So 13 and a half days. You're talking almost 3 trading weeks, guys. Keep in mind, this don't count the weekends. These are trading days. This is almost 3 full weeks of trading. And what do you think is going to happen when the shorts start to cover? The price is going to go up in the stock. And what's going to happen after that? You're going to get a little FOMO buying in there. That's right. That's what happens. Price starts going up. You got a lot of retail, people looking into it. Then you get other hedge funds looking into it as well as a possible short squeeze. And let's go down and take a look at that short squeeze information. Short squeeze score 88.31, ranked 143 out of 5,500 stocks. And short shares that are available is 150,000, so not many shares left. And our short bar fee is setting at 6.7%. And what I want to point out is yesterday's FINRA short volume ratio, 71.62. Woo! They shorted the heck out of us yesterday, and they still shorted us pretty good today at a 52.92. And we don't have the update for today, but look at the aggregate short volume ratio yesterday, guys, 73.08. That is the heaviest day I think I've ever seen of the short volume ratio is in the 70s. 71.62 on the FINRA, 73.08 there of the aggregate. And good thing is we're still sitting at the same amount of shares outstanding. We haven't changed anything there. We're sitting 294.4 million. So that's good. I'd like to keep you up to date on that as well. The shares haven't increased, and if they do get an increase, we'll go update that spreadsheet. So hope you all enjoyed today's video. If you did, make sure you smash thumbs up, leave a comment down below. It helps out the algorithm, and I'll catch you all next video, guys. Peace.